Script: what happens when you feed the most powerful weapon in the universe into a heavy-duty industrial shredder? Today, we are testing the unbreakable. Watch closely as this iconic Infinity Gauntlet meets its absolute match. You won't believe how the metal and stones react to the crushing blade. Stay until the end to see what's left. Script: just when you thought it was over, things are getting even faster. Look at these Rubik's cubes struggling against the absolute power of the shredder blades. It's pure chaos in motion. Everything is getting pulverized. Ready for the next round of destruction? Let's keep it going. Script: and for the grand finale, we're putting this to the ultimate test. Watching this get shredded is surprisingly satisfying, right? It's amazing to see how the blades handle everything, from hard metal to this. We hope you enjoyed this destruction journey as much as we did. If you're still watching, smash that like button and subscribe for more satisfying shredding videos every week. See you in the next one.